Okay, my Dodge driving friends, if you're watching this, it's because you have seen this message, probably. My message says that I'm out of luck. In 49 miles. I'll be walking because I have a DEF system error. If you call a dealer or look everywhere you can look, you'll find out that there's not a damn thing you can do about it. They'll tell you that if they reset the code, it'll just go right back to where it is and leave you walking in however many miles your message says. I'm here to tell you that's nonsense. Okay? I'm going to give you a way to get you off the road. You got to go down to O'Reilly or online or something like that and buy yourself one of these things. It's a code reader resetter. This one's the Bosch that I have, and it's going to buy you a way to get off of the road. Okay? So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Here's how I do mine. Underneath the steering wheel and underneath the dash, you're going to find a connection for this plug. It's going to look like the other side of that. There it is, right there. I'm going to take this thing and hook it on, and then I'm going to climb up in the driver's seat so I don't get run over. It says pocket scan. I'm going to shut my truck off, and then I'm going to put it in accessory, which is just before start. And I'm going to tell this thing to read. It says one code. I'm going to read the code. It says P202e, which is a reductant fluid general message. I'm going to hold down erase. It's going to ask if I want to erase. I'm going to let it up. I'm going to hold it down again, tell it to erase. It says done. I'm going to read the code. It's going to tell me I've got 0 codes. I'm going to go ahead and restart the truck. My code is cleared. Now, if your code does not clear, what I do is I will cycle my truck off and on without starting it 5-6 times and slowly. And then I go ahead and do that again, and it lets me clear the code again. Why does it do this? I don't know. Will this damage your truck? I don't know. It hasn't damaged mine. I'm not going to take responsibility for yours, however, but I will tell you this. It gets me off the road, and if the code happens to pop up again, which once in a while I have to do this more than once, it gives me 50 miles again. So if you're down to just about 0 and you're about ready to start walking, this will stop you from walking. That's what I know. Run with it or don't, my friend. Good luck.